Good morning, guys. It is 8:08 a.m. I woke up at 7 and I had a chocolate like smoothie bowl and it was so good with lemon water. And then now I'm having my matcha, which is basically gone but so good. Pro tip, maple syrup changes your matcha. And then I just made avocado toast with the Food for Life bread, which is also a game changer. It makes it so good. But yeah, I gotta leave for spin in like 30 minutes, and yeah, today I think I'm just going to look for room decor. My dad and I are gonna start doing the hardwood in my room. So excited. Well, it's vinyl, like clip-in wood. I'll show you. I'm really excited for that. And yeah. Today's like my last chill day. I start my job tomorrow at Kate Spade. I'll vlog tomorrow. But right now, I'm just gonna munch. And I'm watching old Tori Sterling to get me in the mood for spin. Because I'm really sleepy. But my last class, I did really bad. And it's not gonna happen today. I got it. I know I got it. I'm motivated. So this is just what I'm wearing to spin today. Look at how crazy my hair looks. Natural hair, but this Lululemon long line. I need to figure out if this is the energy bra or the free bee bra. The one or the back. Just like that. I don't know. Then Lululemon Aligns, which I know you're not supposed to work out in, but I'm too broke to buy new leggings right now, so. Isn't it weird seeing my room like this? I can't wait to like really get decorating. So cute and so fun. So yeah. Finding parking today was a little bit of a struggle, but wow, my hair looks crazy. We did it. We found parking and now I'm walking to the spin class. So yeah, it's warm now. Of course I'm wearing this big fuzzy ass jacket and it's warm now. And I am home. Holy, oh sorry. Holy shit, guys, that was hard. I was like almost crying. I'm just, I'm so frustrated but motivated. Like, I wanna be able to go off the saddle, sitting up high to the beat, but it's so fast and my fucking legs can't keep up. And like I'm front row and I want it so hard and I can see like the instructor like pushing me to go there and she's like, come on, and I'm like trying and I can't get there. And you know, I just need to take, like literally I'm drenched, I just need to take this frustration and put it into motivation. Like, I'm gonna get there and it's gonna be okay. Like one day I'll be able to be standing up out of the saddle and it'll be good. But I was really frustrated and I just wasn't feeling good, and I've been wanting this sweater for a while, so I was like, you know what, you worked really hard today and you're really down and just that you're like behind the beat, so get this, it'll motivate you. And I've honestly just been wanting it for time. So they have like champion hoodies there, so like on the front it's just plain gray and it says Oakville, and then the back says Spinco. So I just got this. It was like $100, which honestly is stupid, but you know, I live in hoodies, so I don't care. But yeah, it was really hard, and I'm gonna go home. Oops. I'm gonna go home now. And well, no. First, I'm gonna go stop at the grocery store. A few vlogs ago, I showed me. Whoa, there's fur all over my seatbelt from my sweater. I'm getting the bananas, and guys, it's fall. Look at the pumpkins. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're literally called pie pumpkins. I'm not really wearing clothing, but it's too hot right now. It's literally summer and it's the end of September. Okay guys, grocery store haul. It's a big one. So basically I got 2 things. Ready? It's really exciting. Battaglia's Marketplace sliced bananas. Okay. And then, I'm pretty excited about this. I totally didn't really... It is, you know, GTS brand for kombucha. It's adaptogenic tea. from the pure arrowroot. Honestly, I don't really know. It just spoke to me. Let's give it a try. Hopefully it's not disgusting. It smells like root beer. It kind of tastes like root beer, but like tea root beer. I like it. Smells good. I'm officially a SpinCo member, guys. You can pull up on winter mornings and it's cold in my SpinCo. I just took a quick body shower. I didn't wash my hair just because my hair's a real pain in the ass to dry. Honestly, my body is so drained. I am like so sore. Not sore, I'm just like, when I walk, it's like heavy and I can feel my muscles like throbbing. So I'm literally just going to lay in my bed and recover for a little bit. Honestly, spin makes me so drained for like an hour after. Like I have to just like lay down and recover and like drink water. And then I'll be good to go after that. It's 12:30 and I'm getting kind of hungry, so I'm gonna make lunch. Ugh, I'm so tired, guys. So I'm just grabbing my veggies. Alright guys, this is lunch. Veggie black bean burger, mustard, spinach, and pickles, because I love pickles. Just a bunch of veggie mix and corn on the cob with some water. And I drank like half of my kombucha for this, so I just put the other half in the fridge and I'll probably have that later. And Kyle just got home, so I'm gonna eat this and then we're probably going to IKEA. This is what I'm wearing today. Just the same leggings I had on before, but like a different pair, just black Lululemons. This top, it's like scrunched, ruched, whatever, from Urban Outfitters, and just Vans. I'm going to grab my phone, my purse. We're at IKEA. We're both really tired today. But I'm gonna go look for some room inspiration. I probably won't buy anything just because, like, look at the car we're driving. I don't think I could fit anything in here. But I'm gonna go see what kind of things they have for when, because I don't want to buy anything until my floors are in, so I can like try to match it. But we're gonna go look, and it's gonna be fun. Isn't it comfy? You like, or maybe I'm just tiny. I like dive into it. Guys, they care about the environment. Paper straws. Are the straws for sale?
$4 for 100.
Looking for plants, nightstands, mirror. I don't know. Nothing's coming out at me. Yeah. Does this supposed to smell like ice cream? Oh my god, it does! Smells like vanilla ice cream. I was kind of hoping that orange one was gonna be pumpkin spice, to be honest, but it's not. I like this plant. It looks too fake though. I mean, I could get real plants. I just don't think I could keep them alive, to be honest. This is kind of cool, guys. Like a hanging plant. I could do something like that. Maybe. Or I just put plants in a vase. I like that plant. This is a cute room, actually. Hallelujah. Guys, look at the pumpkins. I love fall. I think we should just get this horse head. Call it a day. Look at that. Oh, I love fall. That could be cool on a wall. You got a winner. We're getting this. I like this. Yay. Look. All my bed is like out here. And my room is completely empty. We're gonna start ripping up the carpets. You ever wonder what it looks like under a carpet? Ooh, there's nails all sticking out. Let's put my feet onto nails. And that's what's underneath the purple. is disgusting. I'm wearing my new hoodie. See? Isn't it so cute? Oakville, Stinko.